Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A40 and I'm gonna show the top tricks of its camera. So at first we have to click on a camera button here. And now let's take a look at all of these settings around. We start with this button with flash. So here we can turn on auto flash, turn on flash every time we take a picture, and also turn it off. The next one here is the camera timer. So here we can change the delay of taking picture. As you can see, here is 2, 5 and 10 seconds of delay. I'm going to pick 2 seconds to show you how it works. And now I'm going to take a picture. And as you can see, the picture was taken with 2 seconds delay. And we go back to the main camera. I'm going to turn it off now. The next one here is the ratio. So here we can change the resolution of our screen. For example, change the screen on the full ratio. As you can see, this is how it works. I'm going to stay on 3 and 4. And the next one button here in the right corner, there are filters. So here we can make our picture more beautiful before we take it. And as you can see, we get access to that kind of slider, and here also we have a different slider to change the intensity of the filter. And I'm going back to the original one here. And also here we can change the filters to the beauty mode. So here we can, by tapping on this, we can turn on the filters to make beautiful the skin and the portrait of some kind of person in a different modes. As you can see, jawline here, and also the eyes here. This should work when the camera recognizes the face. So I'm going to turn it off now. And now let's take a look at zoom. When we use 2 fingers, we can zoom like that. And also by using these 2 buttons here, we can change the ratio and zoom, and also metering. And by tapping this a little bit longer, we also get access to that kind of slider, and we can zoom easily like that. And the other useful thing here is that when we tap on the screen like that, whenever we want, we get access to different slider, and here we can change the exposure compensation. So here we can make our picture more bright or more dark as we need. And now let's take a look at this settings bar here. So here we can change the modes and get access to more advanced modes of this camera. So as you can see, Pro, Panorama, Slow Motion and Hyperlapse. And I'm going back to the original photo mode. And now let's take a look at the settings here in the left corner. So they are more advanced, and we start with the Have Pictures. So here we can change the size of our picture to save space, and so it gets less space in our memory. And now we go down to the HDR. So here we can change the HDR. HDR helps to improve the brightest and darkest areas in our photos, so I recommend you to keep turning it on, because I think this is really useful and make our pictures just more beautiful. And now here we have the grid lines. So here we can set these lines, and this is useful when we want to use it, for example, to use the rule of thirds in photography and improve our photographic skills. And we go down. Here we can also turn on the location tags. As you can see, it asks us to allow, so I'm going to allow. And the important thing is to save location of our photos, we have to be connected with the internet, for example Wi-Fi, and the location. And also we can go to the shooting methods here and get access to the floating shooter button. When we have turned this on, we have this special button here, and by using this we can take picture by just one tap on the screen like that. And we go back to the settings here. Here we can also turn on the watermark. As you can see, when we take a picture we have the watermark on the photo. Here I've got the preview. So we have this watermark with Samsung dual camera shot with Galaxy A40, and this is how it works. And I go back to the settings. So after turning it on all of these settings, we may want to go back to the original settings, and we can do it by reset settings here and just reset like that. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.